And the question posed, as we all know, by Roe versus Wade is, when did life begin? When does life begin? Now, it would seem to me the definition of life would be a pretty objective question, wouldn't it? I mean, I remember back when I studied science, more particularly studied biology, we learned a definition of life and had an idea of when life would start. What are the characteristics of life? But when you apply that to a case, particularly in the courtroom, it really becomes a political discussion, doesn't it? And that's almost always true with virtually any kind of science that you're going to be presenting in the courtroom. There is a political and non-objective component to it. And you may not be aware of that, but if you think about it from that perspective, it may help you to answer a question that we're going to come back to a little bit later, which is whether or not, for example, something that I deal with in almost every case, is a forensic scientist. Are they objective? Is a forensic scientist working for the state more or less objective than a forensic scientist working for a defense attorney? We have a different opinion. When I say we, I'm referring to the defense bar. We have a different opinion than the prosecutors, and they probably have a different opinion than the judge. So let's think about that for a minute as we look at the rest of what we're going to talk about today.